Hey everybody, just wanted to show you real quickly the Star Trek Romulan Bird of Prey snap kit from Polar Lights. This is a really cool little kit and doesn't take too much time at all to put it together. Unless you're me, then it takes you a little bit longer. But basically it's a very simple build. I mean, basically that's the build right there, one sheet. And the tricky part, let me show you, is placing the decals. Now for this big bird of prey here, the center comes in by itself, and then you've got the two wings. But they recommend you cut the tips off the wings so you can place those on the nacelles. But really, it's really difficult to line it all up because you have no real reference for the center. I mean, sure, you can center it up, but as far as vertically, you'll have to just take a guess and then work with it, you know. So I guess that comes with lots of experience. But hey, this came out pretty well, I think. So anyway,